Hey guys, welcome back. We're in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. Yep, we're all the way up in the UP, and I mean about as far north as you can go. Right over that way is Ontario, Sault Ste. Marie, Canada. Yes, you heard me right. Canada, I can see Canada from here. It's pretty cool. I wanted to say we're just staying here in Sault Ste. Marie for a day, but we're going to take a boat tour of the locks, the Sault Ste. Marie locks. We're going on the original, what's the name of the?
Soo Locks Boat Tour.
Original Soo Locks Boat Tour. And yeah, let's go have some fun.
Hey y'all, I'm Stacy.
I'm Tom, and we're RV America, y'all.
As full-time RVers since 2018, we've traveled a lot and met a ton of awesome folks. But we're not done winging it yet, y'all. Join us as we check off our bucket list, experience destinations we've always dreamed of, and discover amazing places you may have never heard of.
Every day is a new adventure, and we're bringing you along for the fun. The next episode of our story begins now.
Clyde's Drive-In here, they're right on the water in Sault Ste. Marie, just almost right next door to the campground we're staying in. A lot of people told us we had to come here. By the way, it's right at the ferry to take you over to an island right here. This was fantastic. They've been serving since 1949, so that's 75 years that they're celebrating now. Great burgers, fries, crispy fries. How was the malt, honey?
Malt was great.
So yeah, you got to come check them out. They do have a little bit of counter seating inside. That's what we did. And you could also just come and pick it up. And there's some picnic tables outside. The wind is picking up. But yeah, come check out Clyde's when you're in Sault Ste. Marie.
We're off to go
take the Soo Locks tour. Woo! Boat ride.
Here we go.
So here in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, there are two local companies that offer boat tours of the Soo Locks. We're going with the original Soo Locks Boat Tours because that is basically almost next door to our campground. Let's go check it out.
Before we get into our safety messages, we want to recognize any active duty military veterans or, of course, first responders and their families who are with us. Thank you for your sacrifice you have made and for all that you do for our community and country.
Use your power, use your homes and businesses
How cool is this?
especially, there's always got some activity.
Wow, that was incredible. This is the original Soo Locks Boat Tours here. They've been doing it for 90 years. Yeah, and we were in the oldest boat they have right now, which is the Bidewee, and that's the one we did. This is absolutely incredible. I am so glad that we changed our schedule and stuff to be able to make it here. This was a bucket list thing. I mean, what a special tour. And they even took us down and, I mean, not only did we go through the tour, we got to go down and see a beautiful steel mill. I've never seen one like that so close. And my gosh, did we get close to Canada. I mean, wow, that's as close as we've ever been. And next year, we're gonna get even closer because we're gonna be in Canada next year. But yeah, this was really cool. Strongly recommend it. Wanted to eat at Frank's place.
Welcome to our campsite here in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. This is site number 54 at the Aune Osborn Campground. This is a city-run campground by the city of Sault Ste. Marie, and we've had a fantastic time. If you'd like to see more about this campground, we invite you to jump over and check out the link below to join us in our posse where we're posting our full park reviews on the places that we stay. And until next time, y'all, safe travels and happy camping. Bye.